Today we're gonna make chicken with rice recipe. Let's start. First step, I have 400 gram of chicken with the bone. I add the spices. I add 2 tablespoons of yogurt with 1 tablespoon of tomato paste with 1 tablespoon of lemon and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Marinate chicken and leave it in the fridge for 2 hours. If no have time, can fry direct. Now we cut 1 pieces of potato and we take to fry till we get golden brown color. We take it out. After we fry the potato, we fry the chicken in the same pan for 5 minutes till we get gold brown color. Also we take it out. In this step, in the small pot, we add the potato, the chicken, and 1 cup of chickpeas. And we add 1 cup of water in the sauce where we marinate the chicken, and we add to the chicken. After we add 1 cup of rice, we leave the water just to cover the rice. Now take it to medium heat first 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, cover and leave it in the low heat for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our food is ready for served. Our recipe can served with salad or with yogurt. Hope everybody like our recipe today. Thank you for watching. See you for next video.